Myself, one of which I having around 3.8 year of experience in DevOps only, in automating and maintaining the pipeline and improving the deployment and all those things. If you come to my day to day activities, so it will be first activity is monitoring and alert handling. So basically, we monitor the pod and a health infrastructure health, and also a service uptime. Okay, we are also using this Prometheus, Grafana, AWS CloudWatch. Okay, and if you come to CI/CD pipeline, so in CI/CD pipeline, basically we are using Jenkins. So for that, my work is create and maintain pipeline. We are using multi-branch pipeline, and also artifact promotion, and also we integrate these things with a sonar cube and also Trivi, for vulnerability check and all those things. And our pipeline is fully parameterized for dev, QA, and pod environment. Okay, then we are using this EKS cluster. So for Kubernetes section, so we are deployed different microservices in AWS EKS. So we have to write and maintain deployment services, ingress, also config map, and secrets, this kind of things. And for incident handling, basically we are using this service max and Jira also. So you have to respond those tickets, incident and support ticket, we have to respond, we have to update those tickets. And automation section, basically we are using this Ansible also. So we have to do a reusable Ansible rules. Okay, for different things and also we are using this changer template. And for automation section we are also using Python also, and shell scripting as well. And cloud section, basically we are using AWS. So we have to work and provisioning managing AWS resources for EKS cluster, RDS, and then we have S3, and also S3, and also IAM role route 53. And also basically we wrote a Terraform script also we are using. So we have to write this Terraform script as well for EKS cluster setup, VPC configuration, this kind of things.
Okay, and for scripting, which language you guys are using?
Scripting, we are using both Python also, and also bash shell scripting.
Okay. Coming to Python, what's the major difference between list and tuple?
Come again?
The difference between list and tuple.
Your voice is breaking. Difference between
List and tuple.
your voice is break basically.
Okay, just open the chart. Yeah. The difference between.
Okay, so list basically, so basically in Python we are basically using list. Tuple basically come to first tuple. So basically it's not taking duplication. Okay, so if you have some duplication values, so tuple in Python, tuple means it will remove those things. And list basically, so it will be put one kind of means we using this a third bucket. And means inside your list you can have different section, you have integer also, and also string also.
Okay, can you tell me about function in Python?
Function basically in Python, basically using Python. So so if in function section, if you put any kind of codes, and this code you can call in in your main function. So in Python we have a main function, so you can call this function. So normally function basically one kind of things is separate things which is you can call in your main function.
Do you know decorators?
Decorators, yeah, I know, but basically I haven't used decorators, but yeah. So decorators basically, so if you call what is decorator, so this is one kind of special function in Python. So you can add extra functionality over there to to another function, or class. You no need to modify or the original code. So in decorators, so how we can write. So if you wanted to write decorators, so in previously in the up line you have to give at the rate and decorator function. Then after that you can give your like main function like div and by your function name and these things. And yeah.
Yeah, exactly why we are using decorator.
uh, so use cases, if you talking about like normally like it means if you wanted to like do logging. Okay, so in logging use case like logging, so we want, if you log when a function start or end, so that section you can use. Or something like authentication purpose also, you can check like user access, like before running the function you can check the user access. So that things means for that you can use the decorator as well. And something like if you wanted to do some validation like valid input like before calling our before calling our function, so that section you can use these decorators in Python.
Have you written any script in your organization?
Huh?
Have you written any scripts in your organization?
Means Python script or decorator?
Yes, Python.
Yeah, Python basically, see, means I written on Python script. Basically what happened, so basically for like cost optimization, so basically I use one Python. So basically we using this lambda function. Okay, so if I explain that what the main thing, so basically means we have like cost optimization section, so we are using this Python script, and there I use this boto 3. Okay, so in the boto 3 I using, and there I have like some stale EBS volume and some volume we wanted to like upgrade. So for that section, I written one automated script by Boto 3 using this Python. So should I explain this means whole structure?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just to share your screen and
Uh, yeah, I am sharing my screen. My screen is visible.
yes, it is.
So should I write the whole function or?
No, you just go through it.
Okay, so basically, okay, sure means I first explain what I have done. So basically, we write like a lambda function, okay, in Python, and means basically are using this Boto 3, and Boto 3 which is help to like list and check your all like EVS volume, okay, across the region. And also another activity we have to do like I have to automate these things, means some EVS volume which is like GP2, we wanted to move it to like GP3. Okay, and second use case what I written, this is the script filter the volume, okay, which is not attached like any kind of EC2, okay, not used by any databases, and ideally which is like 90 days also. And for that we have to clean up these things, so which is like auto cleanup, so for like stale volume, okay, which is create the snapshot for the like backup, and also then we have to delete these things like safely. Okay, this is the main purpose. So basically for that I have to write the like a Boto 3 script. So basically I have some import.
Just write it.
I import this Boto 3, and I told you that I actually get all the enable region. So for that I have to means some region section, and there I just means getting the all the region. Okay, so for that we have some like region these things like uh, region.
Above,
Yeah.
don't explain it. Just you write it.
Okay. Region name as well, and okay, so for that you have to get all those. If region something like, yeah, so for photos you have to get it. So and we have to call like some like EC2. From region have to get this. So this will be done, and then you get all those regions, and then I have to do like uh,
Okay, leave it. Have you written any shell scripts?
yeah, sales script also have written, but not too much. But I know about this sales scripting, all those things. I can write.
Okay, tell me how you are going to find the processes.
So processes you can find, you have commands like ps aux command. So by using ps aux command you can get the processes. And if you wanted to check the processes cpu load, then we have like top command, top then you can mention that percentage mem, so it will show you like how much processes
Okay,
taking cpu and all.
okay, then I have a file. I would like to see just first 5 lines of that file. How you are going to see?
Okay, you have file and you wanted to put the first file, pipeline.
It has some 100 lines, but I would like to see only the first 5 lines.
Uh, okay, so basically head command basically we are using. So you can do like head then hyphen n, five lines. Then you can give your text file name. So it will be print your first 5 line.
Sorry, can you repeat it again?
So we can put this head. Then we have like n, sorry n,
Hmm.
and then 5 line. Then your text file name.
Okay. Uh, how we are going to add a user to the group?
Uh, uh, yeah, we have like ag means so if you have some user and you wanted to like add this user to your group, so you have user mod, then you have to give some a user hyphen a g allow group, okay, and your group name and username.
Okay. And coming to the Git, what is the difference between merge and rebase?
So basically there is not much difference between, only difference I can say like which is add one more commit. Okay, so which is like a git merge, basically it add one more commit. If you use git rebase, so it won't add any kind of like extra commit. So history is not maintained by rebase.
What's the difference between revert and reset?
Come again.
Revert and reset.
Revert and reset. Git revert we are using. Yeah. Revert and reset. So means if you wanted to change the like your commit, means you wanted to edit some commit, so for that basis you can use this reset command. And revert command means I'm not able to recall right now, but yeah, basically for that purpose we are using basically,
Okay.
means edit some commit
Okay.
and all.
Yeah, yeah. Fine. And what are the other things? So you use Terraform, right?
Yes, yes, I also know about it.
Okay. You are just maintaining the infrastructure, or have you created any?
Yes, yes. So I know means I have to create this Terraform file. We are using basically modules also there. So I have to create the Terraform scripts as well.
Have you created, or else just
No, no, I,
you are willing to work on it?
no, no. I have created. I created for myself BKS cluster creation, BPC, EC2. That I created.
Okay. Where you are maintaining your state file?
Basically, state file we are maintaining basically. So for that we are using this logging system also, so we have like DynamoDB also table is created over there, so we have this logging system as well, and also we maintain these things in our S3 bucket by the versioning enable, so we are
I
maintaining over
mean,
there.
where you are keeping your S3. I mean, sorry, state file.
So we are basically keep our S3 in a Git only, so we are keep over there, but for the backup system, so we are using this S3 bucket.
And for example,
Hmm.
accidentally if someone deletes your state file, then how you are going to recover it?
So we have this backup right in our S3. So from there you can like backup. Like we maintain one backend things. Okay. So in the backend we maintain this S3 and we give our bucket name, key and region, all those things, and also like DB table for the locking system. So basically it's backup in our like S3 bucket. So we can get it from there.
Okay, and you are using Jenkins, right?
Yes, yes.
What are the different pipelines you guys are using?
So we are using basically multi-branch pipeline also, multi-branch pipeline. So we have like different.
Okay, and what are the different syntaxes you have?
Syntax basically for can you please explain the
I
syntax?
mean,
Hmm.
your in which syntax you will write your pipelines? You have two to three syntaxes, right? Scripted or
Yeah, yeah,
declarative.
declarative, yeah.
Declarative.
Mhm.
Can you tell me the what are the different stages in your pipeline?
Yes, yes, so in our pipeline we have like different stages, so how we like maintain our pipeline basically. So okay, I just explain the full our like this flow. So
Yeah.
basically we are using this GitHub, okay, and that means any kind of like push things is happens, so this going to be triggers by the webhook. Then so basically we are our code base is fully like a Java base, so we are using build tool, we are using Maven. So first stage we maintain like compile and testing, okay, so this is the first stage, like good compile and unit test cases. So after that we are using this sonar cube. Okay, in the sonar cube basically we are checking all the code quality checks and all those things, then comes we are basically follow the DevSecOps strategy. So then we come to like TV. So in the TV we are checking the file system scanning, okay, by the TV also done this thing. Then we come to like build, so I will give our Maven build. So this is the step after build is done. Basically we are using this Nexus repo, okay, so this Nexus repo which is store our artifact and all those things. Then we come to like the Docker stage. In the Docker stage basically we create our images, okay. So after this image is properly created, then again by the tree view we check our vulnerability scan. So we are checking there basically just CVE code, so basically it's like high or critical, okay, these things. Then after this thing is done, then we push these things our like image, okay. Then it's come to like a deployment section. So in the deployment section basically we are using this EKS cluster, so we deploy our all those things in our EKS cluster, okay. And also this whole pipeline is like a mail notification, and also in the mail we also attach our like TV reports as well, okay. This is the full pipeline basically we are using in Jenkins.
Okay, if one of the stages is going to fail, then how you are going to resolve it?
uh, one of the stage.
For example, pipeline is failing at one stage.
Okay, one stage. So basically,
Yeah.
if it's fail any kind of stage, so we have to check like means where this stage is failing. So we have to check our like this these logs, Jenkins logs we have to check. After that means any kind of dependency or dependency failings or these things. So we have to check with our developer team as well, like so which dependency we had to use, and if it's like failing in our some reports, okay, like vulnerability is failing, so we have to rebuild our Docker image. Okay, and that image means we have to check what means we have to update the packages or not. We have to means check the what kind of images we can use, like from images, so what kind of images we need to use and all those things. And if it's failing in our EKS cluster section, so then you have to check if it's giving. Okay, so one more thing means from EKS cluster. So last time I got one ticket, okay, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago I got one ticket. Basically the developer, they spin up the pipeline, okay, then it's showing a 502 error. Okay, so they come to us, then I got this ticket, okay, we are getting this 502 error. So in that error is basically saying this, okay, in this error basically first my first thing is that I go to the EKS cluster, okay, then I check all those things like our like a kubectl log command, a kubectl describe command. First I check the events log, so I check that event log is not showing anything, so everything is fine, no no error. Okay, image pooling, everything is properly done by there. Then I check the pod logs, kubectl log command, but there also I'm not able to find anything. Then when I check the last PR, so in the last PR I check that a developer, they did some changes in the keywords. So in our config map the keyword is capitalized, but there they change something like small letter or something. Okay, so what I did, I just normally change our these things in our
Okay,
config.
yeah,
Yeah.
fine. When you are doing a batch, if any conflict occurs, how you are going to solve it?
Okay, so March config, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this merge basically, yeah, this is occurred by the three section, I would say. For files means anyone change in the file, okay, so some some main branch, okay, they have one file, they have something is written, but the this feature or something branch, they change this file content, okay, there's come the one changes in merge. So that will means you have to sit together and you have to check what code you need to do over there. It will show means where it will showing the merge config, they can see that means it will notify that section, so you have to check, okay, which things. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Good.
Okay, that things you need to check. Okay, then this then the second section, second config will come file name. So in the main branch you have a.txt, but in the feature branch someone change it to b.txt, so this match config occurs the same.
Uh, you are going to resolve it, or a developer is going to resolve the
uh,
conflict?
okay, so basically means we are not March thing is basically getting done our by done basically these things by I haven't means resolved these things, so basically we have to take with the developers, means we need to change it or not, so we have to decide, then we have to change. By directly we can't change basically what is their code, something like that.
Sure, sure. Yeah, fine, Anubhav. Uh, you can discuss with Shiva.
Okay.
You can do, Anubhav.
Okay, I can. Okay, thank you all.
Yeah.